A Provoking Chicks, Muscle Cars, and Hot Rods. Hubba hubba. Lovely lady here on a 1933 Ford Victoria hot rod. Flashy looking lady here, a 1973 Opel GT. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. Dazzling woman here in 2003 Iraqi Bulgara supercar with a top speed of 247 miles per hour. Wow. There's Sweet Hottie in a 2013 Bentley Continental GT V8 with 500 horsepower. Woo-wee! Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.